Reu DJ Covenant finally niarikitie kumbura who will be the next guest host wa Rurumuka after a long week ya mafans gukorwo mamutereire muno makienda kuona who will be the next guest. Who is this other person who has made it to the finalist list after Joy Janet, after Shiro Ann, na reu makienda kuona kana will it be Kezia wa Kariuki, as many had been speculating na gukorwo magikungwira ndeto ici muno, but DJ Covenant wa mbere niarikia kumbura ati Asha, it is not Kezia wa Kariuki kuringana na mbica iria akorwo akirekereria, of course with a hidden face, no nironekana for sure it is not Kezia wa Kariuki. Na Covenant niarikitie kumbura na kuonania mundu uria agukorwo ari next on Rurumuka, na aikiuria mafans ake marona tari agishia mbica ino, na without a doubt na of course otolorakiona agikorwo you are keen on social media, you will automatically know who this person is. Niguo mafans ake magikorwo magika na ona magikimwira na arikorwo ni akorwo akihitha njuiri tondu njuri ni agikorwo ikiendia mundu uyu, na mafans magikiuga mundu ti ungi ni Betty wa Macharia. Na Covenant had shared this akiuria mundu no, who is this, huyu ni nani? Na mafans of course immediately they have taken to the comment section na ukimwira mundu ni Betty wa Macharia, na aingi muno kugwira ndeto ici na maikionania kugegio kwao, maikiuga indeed they were not expecting this. Ona ginya aini maikiuga they didn't see this coming, it is a wonderful surprise, na mai congratulate Betty wa Macharia in advance ni hotani uyu. She is the third finalist hari andu aria riu sofa makirehetwo as guest host nigetha maikorwo magicagura who will be the finalist, who will be the final person uria gukorwo akireplace Hellen Muthoni, and the fans are happy. Maikiuga she is equally good, she is okay, she's a wonderful pick, a wonderful minister too. Na ni make na muno ni Betty wa Macharia gukorwo onake akinyire gikiro giki. A big congratulations to her, na meigetera ukamwona on Sunday akireha Rurumuka show on Inoro TV. Congratulations once again kuri Betty wa Macharia, na ndugakiriganirwo go subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update, subscribe now.